Hi guys, it's me Maddie and today we are taking Paddy on a walk. Paddy! So we're taking him on a walk and we want to bring you
How did it turn on to you? Did you do that?
Yeah, I did. I'm going to take you on to...
Look, we go right up there where that road is.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh,
We
this
go
is my
to
first
the
time.
waterfall.
This is my first time to walk
okay.
Paddy. Okay. It's
Alright,
wrong,
so-
that's the wrong hand for you.
It's not.
Is it not? Can I hold Paddy?
Yeah. Okay, so, because Maddie don't know where we're walking.
What?
Maddie don't know where we're walking. Right, so, up there you can see that road. We go right up there. But first, before we go there, we stop at this little river thing. No, it needs a wee. Put it on the long lead.
I'll put it like that, yeah?
No, just keep it long.
Yeah.
Wait, what's it on? Yeah, okay. Paddy, move away from that poo. The sniffing poo. Right, so then we go to this river and just stay there for a bit. And then we walk up that road what I just showed you. There, boom, boom, boom.
You just lost in front. Come on, Paddy, come
Put it on a long lead. Okay, so now we just stay here for a bit. A boy. Okay, so now we just stay here for a bit.
Paddy down.
No, we stay here for a bit. If you go here and you fall off, you'll land on that. Oh. Ah! Sugar! Paddy! We almost got run over. Oh, sugar.
Guys, we get run over. Guys,
I have to pick him up.
guys, we just nearly got run over.
All right.
No, not that way, Paddy.
Paddy!
The lead's not going longer. Oh, there.
Paddy, come on. So as I said, we'll stay at the river for a bit and then we'll go back up. Yeah? Paddy, come on. Don't shout at him. Paddy! He got Paddy, do you want to go in the cricket club?
Huh?
You want to go in the cricket club?
Right now.
Yeah, but we don't have a poo bag, so. We've got a poo bag.
Paddy! Right, we're trying to wait here for a bit.
No, Maddie, not now. We go up here first and then down. Paddy, come on. Paddy,
Oh my God, you get that dog.
Paddy, come on.
You're told to get around. Right, shall I carry her? Over there.
Him.
Right, here, stop it.
Paddy, come on now.
Paddy, come on.
I'm actually going to shoot you. Come now. Come on. Bleep, you didn't hear that.
Paddy, come on. Right, just give me time to time a shoe.
Ah! Sugar.
It's alright. Charlotte told me she's supposed to know.
We almost got run over by that car then.
Huh?
We almost got run over.
Don't show the bit.
I'm not.
I'm not my god, Paddy.
I fucking will, because he almost ran us over. Watch, I'm going to record it, because he ran us over nearly.
Paddy!
Paddy!
This is hilarious. Come on, Paddy, come on. Let's go cheat. No, stop.
I got it, Maddie, I got it.
Did you?
Yeah, I got it.
Right, let's just go and eat it first and then we'll go back. So now we said Paddy was... Was I off video close the gate?
No.
Oh no, because while they are there. You're allowed in here?
Yeah. We do go there, but like... He's okay with the gate open. But you hold his sled, and if he runs off you, go get him.
No, I'm not going to.
Paddy, come on! Paddy! That looked well nice. How did I do it? Oh my god!
Hold him here. Put that leaf on him.
Oh god!
We're never letting him go. Come on, Paddy. Come on. Come on, Paddy.
Paddy, come on now.
Come on. Oh my god, why are you so slow?
He's only got little legs, stop bullying! God, I'm gonna prank Maddie. Yeah, and say I'm now in the river. Because there's a river literally here. What? What? I'm not bothered about No. I'm not gonna drop it. I'm not. Bloody hell, Luke. No, because it'll get too wet. Oh.
Can I try for that there?
Hold that and I'll tie him on here.
Oh. No, because that's tight.
It's not.
I bet it's going to poo on us. I'll hold him. Hi, Paddy. Hiya. Look at
Paddy!
look how cute Paddy's face is. So cute.
Paddy's not that dummy, what?
Not that smart, you mean? I don't feel well tired. What?
Oh, someone's watching us.
Where?
They're gonna think we're being mean to him.
Where?
Look. That house up across the river.
Where? Oh shit, yeah. Oh god, yeah.
Whoa!
Charlotte.
Rat!
Guys, so I want to go down there, so does Charlotte.
Sugar.
There's another dog.
Paddy's okay with dogs, it's just if they're okay with him. Alright, we're gonna go up in that forest.
No, we're not.
Yeah, it's okay, we won't fall. I've been up there loads of times, come on.
We're getting up there. Come on, Paddy.
Easy, follow me. Pads, come on then, baby.
Come on, Paddy. You're pulling him down.
I'm not. This lead stops like there. Already.
do we get up there?
It's easy.
Is it easy?
Yep.
The person at the motorbike. He's like, oh.
What the fuck?
What the hell? It's coming down.
Oh no, panic, no. Paddy! Maddie, get the camera now. Get the
Thank you. Guys, show me my mic. Where's he gone? Where's he? In it, there's so many stumps. Careful. Guys, a second part. You dropped my phone. You dropped my phone.
Yeah, 'cause I was trying to pick him up. Hey, come on. I didn't drop it, put it down. Keep recording, Maddie.
I will. Guys.
Right, should we go up there?
No!
Yeah, it's okay, Maddie.
I said I can't eat it. We just ran all the way back for nothing.
Look, we're going that way.
Okay. This dog does not want to walk. So if you saw Paddy's bum or Willie. William bum, guys.
Come on there, baby.
Come on, Paddy.
Maddie.
You got the pump it. Hello, baby.